Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you already watched part 1 video of this fabric painting. That's the backside design of the blouse piece. I made part 1 video in Bengali, so here I am making it in English. Here I am directly blending those colors on cloth. This process should be done quickly so that paints remain wet so you can blending the colors according to your choice. For lotus I am using red and white color. After shading the shadows I am gonna line it with red color. For lips I am using lemon yellow and monoscroll green. For lining the branches I am using saffron color. If you want to customize your kurti, Punjabi, sari, blouse, shirt or any other thing, then contact with me with my WhatsApp number that's given below to the description box. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more creative videos. Next time coming with another creative video. Till then goodbye, stay happy and creative.